In this video, we are going to see that if we want to resolve this error, which is the error number 0x800701aa, the cloud operation was not completed before the timeout period expired, and it shows you the detail of an unexpected error creeping you from copying the file. If you continue to receive this error, you can use the error code to search for help with this problem. So we are going to see a couple of solutions for that, and one of them might work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to reset the OneDrive, and the method is very simple. Just open up the start menu and just right here, run, launch the run application and paste this command here that you will get with the description of this video. So don't worry about that. Click OK and make sure to take the backup of the Windows, or set up a restore point, because we are going to reset the OneDrive, and it will process a little bit and it will reset the OneDrive for you. After that, you might see a login screen here that you can use to log in back into the OneDrive. So this is one solution that might work for you. The other solution is you want to open up the start menu and just right here settings. And once we are in the settings, just click on the left hand corner where it says apps and click on install apps. And here we just need to search for OneDrive. Here it is. What you can do is just click on the three dots and click on uninstall. Click on uninstall, click on uninstall again. And it will take some time. It might ask you do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Let's click on yes. It might take some time, and after that you might need to restart your PC. So here it is completely removed. How we can make sure of that? Let me show you. Just go to settings again. And here, let's click on apps, install apps. And now if we search for OneDrive, you no longer is able to find that. After that, you might need to restart your PC to make this effective. So let's just quickly do it. All right, now guys, the PC is restarted, and hopefully that should solve your problem. And just make sure of that even though we have uninstalled OneDrive, you can easily install it back. Just go to the start menu and just right here, store. It will show you this Microsoft Store link. Just go ahead and click on that. And from here, we simply write in the search for OneDrive. Just click here. And from here, you will get all the applications links that you can use to install the OneDrive. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.